Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize sections in Shopify. Customizing sections allows you to tailor your store's look and functionality to fit your brand perfectly. So let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Just open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Then enter your email and password to access your admin. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Next thing you're gonna do is head to the online store section. In the left hand sidebar, click on Themes and then click on Customize. Now let's find the section you want to customize. In the theme editor, look for the left sidebar where all sections are listed, or you can choose them in the display right here. Click on the section you wish to customize. This will open the customization options on the right. You'll be able to change text, images, backgrounds, and other settings specific to that section. After selecting the section, it's time to make your customization. Use the options provided to change fonts, colors, spacing, and layouts. You can also add or remove content blocks within the section, such as buttons or images. Be sure to click Save after making changes to apply them to your live store. And that's it. You've successfully customized a section in Shopify. This helps enhance your store's design and user experience. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.